Hi. Let's practice reading. E, A.
E, E, E.
Words. Head, dead, pear, bear, where, death. Next. Where, where, head, head, head. Wear the hat on your head. Wear the hat on your head. Wear the hat on your head. Next. Dead, dead, dead. The rat is dead. The rat is dead. The rat is dead. Next. Bear, bear, bear. Death, death, death. Is the bear deaf? Is the bear deaf? Is the bear deaf? Last. Pear, pear, pear. Yeah, I like pears. Yeah, I like pears. Yeah, I like pears. Good job. Bye.